Eléyìí tún gbẹnu tán o lágbolé Fuji. Àwọn obìnrin agbolé Fuji tún ti fárígá pátápátá. Wọ́n ní àwọn ò ní gbà fún Alhaji Wasiu Ayinde K1 the Ultimate láti dojú gbogbo ìlàkàkà olóògbé Dr. Sikiru Ayinde Barrister lágbolé Fuji láti dojú ẹ̀ bolẹ̀ o. Alhaja Aolat ló sọ̀rọ̀ tó pọ̀ nínú fọ́nrán yìí nípa pé àwọn ò ní gbà fún K1 the Ultimate láti da gbogbo lẹ́gẹ́sì olóògbé Sikiru Ayinde Barrister lórí orin Fuji láti da gbogbo ẹ̀ lulẹ̀ o. Wípé kódà ọ̀rọ̀ tó sọ gan nípa General Kollington Ayinla nípa pé ní General Kollington Ayinla lòún rí báwí lórí controversy tó ń lọ lórí ta gan lọ bá orin Fuji. Ó ní General Kollington Ayinla lòún rí báwí. Alhaja Aolat ní kí ló dé tí ó fi sọ̀rọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ pé ṣó ń gbìyànjú láti máa pitch àwọn èèyàn against bàbá General Kollington Ayinla ni. Wọ́n ní bàbá yìí ti dàgbà ju gbogbo ohun tí K1 the Ultimate tó fẹ́ máa sọ nípa ẹ̀ lọ. Ọ̀rọ̀ yìí lágbára ó gbẹnu tán. Bó tiẹ̀ jẹ́ pé lábẹ́ comment section video yìí ọ̀pọ̀ àwọn commenters ló ń sọ wípé ọ̀rọ̀ ò rí bẹ́ẹ̀ kì í ṣe ti Alhaji Wasiu Ayinde K1 the Ultimate tí wọ́n mì nìyẹn, kì í ṣe pé bí àwọn ń gbìyànjú láti pitch àwọn èèyàn against General Kollington Ayinla. Àmọ́ ẹ̀yin èèyàn ẹ jẹ́ àkọ́kọ́ jọ wo fọ́nrán iná ká gbọ́ nǹkan tí Alhaja Aolat tán sọ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí. Kẹ́dẹ̀ máa bá mi fèrò tiyín sí comment ká tó wá lọ tẹ̀síwájú ká tó lọ ka ohun táwọn èèyàn drop sí comment section nípa ohun tán sọ. Ẹ má gbàgbé bẹ́ẹ̀ bá ti follow wa lórí Facebook, ẹ máa rí link kan lábẹ́ fídíò tó máa gbé yín tààrà lórí Facebook page wa. Ní YouTube ẹ máa bá mi subscribe, ẹ máa like, kẹ́dẹ̀ máa bá mi share fídíò yìí kó máa lórí ayélujára káàkiri. Ó yá ẹ jẹ́ àgbọ̀n tí Alhaja Aolat tí wọ́n ní sọ nípa ọ̀rọ̀ tó ń lọ lágbolé Fuji pàápàá lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Alhaji Wasiu Ayinde K1 the Ultimate àti olóògbé Dr. Sikiru Ayinde Barrister lórí pé ta gan lọ́ba orin Fuji. Òun rèé ẹ jẹ́ àjíjọ gbọ́.
You cannot take women away from music. There are no women, there's no music. One is a big bird, you know, he's a big person, whether you like it or not. He's a legend. But we just didn't like what he did at the time, running Barrister. And we stood our ground. And that's one thing that I'll take to my grave. I know a Fuji musician, Toshepe, on cry foul Lenny. On cry foul Lenny. Pe Barrister lo ṣeun. But I grew up seeing him pack 15-20 women in the bus each time tó bá ń lọ ṣeré.
We are dancers.
Obìnrin mi ready láti mú gbogbo nǹkan ní ẹ̀ kó fi fẹ́ olórin. This woman had danced. Gbogbo wọn ti hover around Barrister. All of a sudden, obìnrin ó tú ìró ẹ̀, ó kú beautiful shimmy, don't get me wrong, white, you know, and just clinging on to Barrister like that. And I actually felt sorry for the poor man. My 99 pence about Barrister is for people to continue to listen to his music, for his music to continue to thrive. If his music sells, that is when royalties can come to his family. Well, the man is elderly now, General Kollington Ayinla. Why do you want to pitch people against him, saying, Bami Ayinla Kollington ẹ̀yin ni mo rí báwí? Rí báwí in what sense? If you had such to say, why doesn't he go to him?
Ó lágbára ọ̀rọ̀ rẹ̀ o, ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ gbọ́ tí Alhaja Aolat tí wọ́n sọ kalẹ̀ yìí. Wọ́n ní tó bá ṣe pé K1 the Ultimate tiẹ̀ ní anything against General Kollington Ayinla tó bá rí nǹkan tó ń ṣe tí ò dá, pé ṣe ló yẹ kí K1 ó wá General Kollington Ayinla lọ sílé kó lọ bá a sọ̀rọ̀ one on one, pé kì í ṣe wípé kó wá máa sọ ní gbangba ta pé àwọn ni òun rí báwí. Ọ̀rọ̀ yìí dójú ẹ̀yin èèyàn, gbogbo ń tán sọ nù fọ́nrán yìí, ojú wo lẹ́yìn fi wò. Ẹ máa bá mi sọ opinion tiyín sí comment. Ẹ jẹ́ lọ́wọ́ táwọn èèyàn sọ ní comment section video yìí. A rí commenter kan Oni Sunday Ayọ̀délé, ó ní how did he disrespect Barrister? Why is this issue of respect and disrespect becoming a recurring decimal in Fuji music? No new thing in Fuji music again. What we hear these days is he disrespected our father. He didn't pay homage to me and sundry accusations. Can't they compare themselves with the fella's family and fans and the way they have related maturely with Afrobeat artists? You will never see Femi Kuti or Seun coming out to attack anybody over the legacy of Fela Anikulapo. Ẹ gbọ́ ẹ̀yin èèyàn, wọ́n ní kí ló dé tá a fi máa ń gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ pé controversy pé ẹnìkan disrespect ẹnìkan ò respect ẹnìkan lágbolé Fuji. Wọ́n ní kíní ó ti ń pọ̀ jù. Kí lójú tẹ́ fi wò? Ẹ máa bá mi sọ dáhùn tiyín sí comment. Another commenter Adéwálé Adéowó náà ní exactly Bami Ayinla Kollington ẹ̀yin ni mo rí báwí how with question mark. Ó ní to me there is no sense in the video K1 made. It was just beating about the bush. ó lágbára ẹ̀yin èèyàn ẹ gbọ́ ẹ máa bá mi ju opinion tí yín sí comment lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí o. Another commenter Afauda Baba Agbalagba ó ní when Sikiru Ayinde Barrister was alive, himself and General Kollington Ayinla were arch enemies for a long time. It was so bad that K1 had to pitch his tent with his mentor, that's SAB, against General Kollington Ayinla as a mark of respect and loyalty to his boss. I'm not sure they genuinely reconciled their differences till Sikiru Ayinde Barrister was called home. When he died, K1 was there. At least I saw the role he played via the videos of the burial that were released. Many years down the lane, fans of Sikiru Ayinde Barrister are denigrating K1 for not having a smooth relationship with General Kollington Ayinla. According to them, not according him, the deserved respect. That is in quotes. My own take from this all is that K1 should be very careful and he should just do the best as dictated by God and his conscience. There's nothing he can possibly do to appease those who do not like him, especially those who are envious of his success. Abi, how can a common instrument packer now become the most important figure in Fuji music? If he like, let him prostrate and lick the boots of General Kollington Ayinla. If he likes, let him release another album titled Bari ni Olùdásílẹ̀ Fuji. If he like, let him say Òṣùpá lọ́ba Fuji, Obesere ni Olúayé Fuji. As long as he is breathing, his opponents will always find a reason to berate him. No wonder our elders say ìjà ìlara kì í tán bọ̀rọ̀. Hey, ọ̀rọ̀ ìlágbára bó tẹ̀ ṣe pé ọ̀rọ̀ tí kọ̀mẹ́ntà yìí tí wọ́n drop ó long gidi ṣùgbọ́n kókó inú ìwé ìròyìn náà ni pé no matter nǹkan tí K1 the ultimate ò bá ṣe lénìí pé àwọn ò rò wípé àwọn tí ò láìkí wọn wọn ó sì láìkí wọn náà ẹni tí ò bá ti fẹ́ràn yìí ò lè fẹ́ràn yàn nítorí ìjà lára ni gbà tí General Kollington Ayinla àti Sikiru Ayinde Barrister táwọn méjì jọ ní kàńtàǹgbà náà tí K1 sì ti pitch tent against General Kollington Ayinla tó ti support Sikiru Ayinde Barrister wọn ni títí dàkókò àwọn ò rò pé wọ́n jẹ́ nílò reconcile fún ìdí èyí kò sí nǹkan lè ṣe tán fi lè yí gbogbo kìíní tán fi lè yí padà. Ẹ gbọ́ ẹ̀yin èèyàn jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ló ṣe rí lọ́kàn tìyín náà ẹ máa bá mi jù dáhùn tìyín sí comment ẹ tún jáwọ́ comment kan sí méjì ká tó máa lọ. àtúrẹ̀ nílá kọ́mẹ́ntà Willie A. Ọlọ́runjú ẹ̀dá ó ní I partly disagree. K1 does not need to put himself under anybody though. It's good to respect whoever deserves it, but we should realize at 66 years of age, well-to-do with grace of God and hard work, he deserves some respect too. I really like Sikiru Ayinde Agbajelola. His work, his wisdom as his legacy. Good or bad, K1 is writing his own legacy too. But mind you, being rich comes with baggages. Ọ̀gá o, ẹ gbọ́ ẹ̀yin èèyàn. Apps ayọ̀ náà ní K1 the ultimate all the way. If you don't like him, go and hug Transformer. General Kollington Ayinla and Sikiru Ayinde Barrister were not friends in those days. So how do you expect K1 to now be romancing General Kollington Ayinla now that SAB, his master, is gone? He has never for once rubbished SAB's legacy. Let everyone focus and revive their dying career and leave K1 alone. Ó lágbára o. Ọ̀pọ̀ commenters ló ṣàṣọ pé kàn fi K1 the ultimate lọ́rùn kalẹ̀ pé ohun tó mí nǹkan nìyẹn kan fi sílẹ̀ pé nígbà tí ò ti sí ìrẹ́pọ̀ tó dán mọ́rán láàrin òun pẹ̀lú General Kollington Ayinla tẹ́lẹ̀ lásìkò tí Sikiru Ayinde Barrister wà láyé pé kí wàá lẹ expect báyìí lónìí. Ẹ gbọ́ ẹ̀yin èèyàn ojú wo lẹ́yìn náà fi wọ̀rọ̀ yìí ìyàwó ló kọ sí yín bó ló ṣe rí lọ́kàn tìyín ǹjẹ́ yìí náà faramọ́ táwọn commenters yìí ń drop àbẹ́yìn tún ní contrary opinion ẹ máa bá mi sọ sí comment section. Ẹ má gbàgbé bẹ́ẹ̀ bá ti follow wa lórí Facebook ẹ máa rí link kan lábẹ́ fídíò yìí tó máa gbé yín sára lórí Facebook page wa. Ẹ máa like ẹ dẹ̀ máa bá mi share fídíò kó máa lórí ayélujára káàkiri ká tó pàdé láyé àtàláfíà. Ẹ ṣeun tí ẹ darapọ̀ mọ́ mi tí ẹ gbọ́ mi ní gbogbo ìgbà.